See, the main reason why design has taken a very important role in today's industry is because of technology. What has
Hmm.
happened is about 20 years ago, when we looked at design, we looked at a lot of design which is handmade, which is you can say customized, which people did for specific projects, specific clients, other than of course industrial design. But in general, they were works that were done which were you can say focused on certain type of things only. Whereas with technology, with more manufacturing coming into into the
Right.
country, and digitalization of things, with information technology coming into the picture, with the availability of softwares to actually create things which were not there 20-25 years ago. What has happened is the need for people who can use these new tools, people who can actually create a product out of these technologies. And that's where I think, from in my opinion, creativity, those people who have that creative edge over
Hmm.
the over, let's say, engineers, or people who know how to run a particular tool or a machine. Beyond that,
Hmm.
we have gone to the area of actually strategy. So designers have occupied that space, which is basically the strategizing space, and that is where I think the new careers are all, for designers
Hmm.
specifically. So earlier we used to
Hmm.
rely a lot on people down the line to execute things. Now we require those designers to sit on top of that process and actually figure out what is to be done, you know.
Hmm.
So I think that's really the crux of where designers are today. And I always believe that design is one of those professions which will always be on the top of the pyramid.
Hmm.
As more and more technology comes in, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics and AI integration that happens, you still need somebody to pull all of that into the next level. And that pulling factor is what the designers are going to do, because the designers are the ones who actually conceive those ideas and put it in a way that it gets taken up later.